Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. So today we will be taking a look into the Terra Luna ecosystem. We will look into Luna. I will also tell you some of the yield farming opportunities on the ecosystem. I will also show you how to make a wallet to start trading on Terra. So without further ado, let's know what is Terra blockchain. So in base terms, Terra is a decentralized financial payment network that is rebuilding the traditional payments system on the blockchain, and Luna is the reserve currency on the Terra platform. So basically, if you know coins such as Ethereum and your Phantom, Binance coin, all these coins work on proof of stake mechanism, wherein there are miners who must stake their currencies in order to mine transactions. So basically, in base terms, what this means is, if I am a user and I go to an exchange like Binance and I buy Luna from this exchange and I go to the Terra station and delegate my Luna tokens over there, so this will help drive the platform and this will basically run the platform. So let's see how to make a wallet on the Terra platform. So to make a wallet, you need to have Chrome browser, and once you open this Chrome browser, so you need to search the web store. So you can very easily search the web store over here. So let me show it to you guys. So once you go to Chrome web store, you have to click on search the store, and from here you have to download Terra extension. So this will be the first option down here, and just go ahead and verify before downloading anything. So this is Terra station offered by Terra. Something like this will pop up on your screen, and you have to just go ahead and open this up, and you can add to your extension from here. This also has a mobile application which you can download, and you can also access the blockchain from the mobile application too. So from after you download this application and you make one extension out here, so the extension will pop up somewhere about here in your Chrome browser. You just need to go ahead and just need to load your wallet. If you are making a new wallet, you can make the wallet and store your seed phrase. Do not show it to anyone else. Apart from this, you can go to Binance and you can buy Luna from there, and you can send these Luna tokens to your wallet of Terra over here. So this is how to first transfer Luna tokens from Binance to Terra. There is another way that is called Terra Bridge. So here what you will be able to do is, you can select Binance Smart Chain. Like if you have some tokens on Binance Smart Chain, you can go over there and you can buy UST. So basically UST is the transaction payment mechanism on the Terra ecosystem. So you can buy some UST on index such as PancakeSwap or 1inch on Binance Smart Chain, and after that you can just log into this website, connect your wallet and select Binance Smart Chain in this first option, and in the second option you have to select Terra option, and you can just go ahead and simply choose UST or whichever token you are about to send to your Terra wallet. So after that, just copy paste the amount, destination, and if you are going with a memo, you can just type in the memo over here and just connect wallet and just send your funds over to the Terra blockchain. So this is how you will be able to go ahead and get some funds first into your Terra wallets. Once this is done, so this is basically how the Terra station looks like once you download the Terra station wallet. So this is the dashboard, how it is looking. So this is the Luna price, what is the tax rate, what is the issuance, what is the community pool, everything, staking ratio, everything you will find on this dashboard. So you can come over here to the staking option, and there are many delegators over here to whom you can delegate your tokens. And from here you will be able to select, like if I select this, and I will be able to come over here and I will be able to delegate my tokens to here. So basically what this does is this will allow you to gain passive income on your Luna tokens, as well as this will also enable you to be able to receive future airdrops of new tokens that are about to be launched on the Terra blockchain. So this is a great way to go ahead and enjoy this blockchain. So but before this, I would like all of you to just take into consideration, do not just blindly go ahead and give your Luna tokens to any of these delegators. Just before delegating, go ahead and check and do your own research before proceeding with the same. Now if I start with the various protocols on this platform, so first and the major platform on here is Anchor protocol. So once you go to Anchor protocol, so here you can stake your USD and you will get AUSD. So you'll have to go to earn and you'll have to deposit your AUSD tokens over here. So let's say I have 100 USD, so I will proceed with 100 over here and I will click on proceed. So just keep in mind that you should have some sort of USD tokens in your wallet to pay for the transaction fees. So which is right now, as you can see, is 1.15 USD. So before going ahead with this transaction, just make sure that you have some USD to cover the transaction fees. So once you do this, once you get this AUSD token, and this will be a yield bearing token. So let me show it to you guys over here. So once you deposit your USD tokens over here, so you will get the AUSD tokens, which will generate 19.47% yield on your position. So this is a great way to earn passive income on your stable coins. Now other thing which is very good over here is that you can stake 2 or 3 times and your APY will just multiply over here. So what you need to do is you can go over to this earn tab and just click on deposit and go ahead and deposit like I have shown it to you guys. So this is how you start earning on this platform. So also one thing I would like to tell you guys, that AUSD or even USD, since it is a stable coin and it is pegged to $1, so always keep that in mind. There is always a inherent risk of the stable coin to be depegged, and it may be possible that it will go below $1. So just keep that in mind before investing in any USD or in fact any stable coin for that matter. So let's move on to the next protocol. This is called Mirror. So basically what happens here is, on this platform you will be able to trade your favorite stocks. So let me show it to you guys. So once you come over to this website and you go to the farm option, so as you can see, this website will have your favorite stocks like Twitter, then you will have AMC, Tesla, Netflix, Facebook, Alibaba, everything will be here. So the people who are not into crypto and want to trade stocks, so this is a great platform for them. And over here they can buy these stocks. So just have to go to this trade option and can buy these mirror stocks. So let's say I want to buy Google stocks, so I'll go over to here and let's assume I have $1,000 USD. So this will give me M Google, that is the mirror Google stocks, equivalent to this amount, and I will then have this amount of Google stocks in my wallet. So I will go over to this farm option and I will scroll down here. I'll find where is Google. So here, see, so if I think that Google prices will go up, so I will click over here to the long farm and I will deposit my tokens over here. So as you can see, this percentage is the amount that you are getting in lieu of depositing your tokens. So if I think that Google stocks price will decline in the short duration, so I will deposit in the short farm. So this is how this entire platform works, which is a very good thing to begin with. Now if you are already staking your Luna tokens over here and the airdrops which I have already mentioned to you guys about, so you will also be getting mirror tokens too. So basically mirror tokens is the thing which runs this mirror platform, and if I can show it to you guys, the mirror prices. So let's see, mirror protocol, the ticker is MIR, and as you can see the price is $3. So let's just think that to stake your Luna tokens over here, by just staking your Luna tokens, you are getting this mirror protocol tokens for free, absolutely by doing nothing. And on top of that, you can come over on this mirror protocol website, you can stake your tokens over here in any of these farms, and you can generate further of these mirror protocol tokens. So which is again a great way to increase your portfolio and get some exposure on mirror protocol. So basically all these protocols that I'm showing it to you guys is what I think will be very big in the near future, because trust me guys, Terra platform is blowing up and it is becoming one of the biggest platforms that is going to challenge the likes of Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Avalanche, all these platforms. Now moving on, the next one is the TerraSwap platform. So here I would like to tell you guys that this platform, I am using it personally because I know a rumor that is right now circulating that TerraSwap is about to launch their own token, and the people who have used this platform and the users will be rewarded with their tokens. So if you remember Uniswap did something similar, wherein they rewarded the users who use their platform with the Uni tokens. So something similar I think is about to happen with TerraSwap, and just to use this platform I can just go ahead and simply click on this website, open it, and just use this platform and be eligible for the future airdrop if this protocol will do some. So that's it for today guys. So let me know how you guys felt about this video, and in future I will also try to cover other aspects of the Terra ecosystem, and I will also deep dive into the various protocols that are coming up in the near term future, and the protocols and the projects that are about to do some airdrops too. I will cover them as well. So if you like today's video guys, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care everyone.